and welcome to our channel. Thanks so much for coming on today. Again, and I know I always say this, I've got a really fun project to do and I couldn't wait to show you this one. This is going to be something that's very easy, it's going to be very affordable, and I know everybody is into making things out of drop cloths. The majority of the curtains in my home I've made out of drop cloths, and I had an idea to make some drop cloth Christmas stockings, and the inspiration I got off the internet, and somebody was making them handmade and were selling them. So of course when you make these, if you sew them on a sewing machine, the quality of them of course will be better. Anything you make with something a little bit more effort and on a sewing machine, you know, that to me is just made with love. But for videoing purposes and for time and for what I'm using them for, hot glue worked fine. And I know the majority of the people out there do own a hot glue gun and feel more comfortable with that than lugging out their sewing machine like I have to do. But with that being said, you can sew these or you can hot glue them. So first of all, you'll see in the video, I went to Lowe's and I purchased this size drop cloth. It's the 4x5. And in the 4x5, I made several things out of it. I even used my scraps, and I'm going to show you how you can use all the scraps of the drop cloth to embellish your stockings and also make a couple of other things that I think are really cute. But out of the drop cloth, I got 4 stockings, and if depending on the size, you could possibly squeeze out a 5th one, but you wouldn't have enough probably to make some of the little extra things. And basically my pattern, I just took an old stocking that I had and I just folded out the cuff, and like I say, a lot of this is going to be in the video, so I'm not going to go into great detail on here, but just kind of always like to give you a little extra tips before you watch the video. But you'll see how we cut out the pattern and we pin them together, and I left the straight edge of my drop cloth just so it wouldn't ravel at the top. So when you do your drop cloth, just make sure the sewed edge, just make sure you have that at the top, and then that way we kind of cheat, because that way we don't have to sew that, it's already sewn for us. So good little tip there. But you can make it any size you want, and of course when you're tracing you may want to go a little bigger than your pattern, just so you can allow enough for your glue seam. And when you're gluing, just try to glue in the places that are straight, just as straight as you can, so when you fold it out outward, you will have, you know, straightness through the places that need to be straight. To make the hang tag, I'll show you that in the video, but basically again I'm just going to use the stitch trim. I just trimmed it off and I just hot glued a hanger on it. And of course I'm going to stage all of this for you, our favorite part, the staging. And I'm going to stage them several ways and show you how I'm going to use them in my home. So this is a fun project, and you can embellish them. This is the fun part, to embellish. I'm going to give you some ideas. Tons of ways. If you're good at stenciling, or if you've got a Cricut machine, that's an option. Stencils hate me. I don't know what it is, but anytime I use a stencil, it just never works out right. But if you're good at stenciling, or if you have a Cricut machine, that would make something great. You could put initials on it, or some kind of like Bible verse, or just your favorite, you know, Christmas song, hymn, you know, Silent Night. Just put whatever kind of graphic on it that you want. And also, I don't know if any of you were lucky enough to get these at Walmart. I did get these 2 packs. This pack right here I'm going to be giving away on my Facebook page. I have a new Facebook page. It's called Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. And each week until Christmas I'm doing a gift giveaway. So the criteria to be eligible for the drawing will be in my video. It'll be on my Facebook page. So I see Mater is behind me on the kitchen sink, and he's not supposed to be on the counter, so hang on. He wants to be in the video. Come here, Mater. Oh, come here. Tell everybody hello. Say hey. Tell them hello, mate. And go over there and take your nap. Okay. Alright, so Mater made his debut. But anyway, I'm going to give this away, and I'm also going to give away with this this flour sack. I got a whole pack of these at Aldi, and there were several in a pack. But I'm going to do a flour sack, and that way if you want to make like a flour sack towel with one of these little iron-on appliques, I think that would be so cute. So anyway, this is going to be one of my giveaways. I'm going to do one each week before Christmas. So go out to my Facebook page, Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations, and read the criteria. And basically, you just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram if you have an Instagram. If you don't, that's okay. That's just a plus. I'll give you something extra. And then, of course, join the group and share that page so we can kind of help it grow. That page, I designed it not just for myself, but for y'all, because I love to see what everybody else creates. If you get inspiration off my videos, a lot of people will comment and say they're going to make it. Well, if you do make it, I want to see it. I want to see what you created, because I think it is so much fun to share it with everybody. So that to me is for me just as much as y'all, because I love seeing what people put out there. And speaking of that, I wanted to give a shout out to one of my very good subscribers, Nikki. Nikki is, always being so supportive and giving me great, nice comments, as everybody does. But she went out to my Facebook page, and she had posted a picture of a little Christmas tree she decorated, making these little snowman hats out of Jenga blocks. So at the end of the video, I am going to show y'all how Nikki inspired me to make these little snowman hats. Go out to my Facebook page and see Nikki's post. Hers look a lot cuter than mine, but I just put my little spin on it. But I love this little idea she gave me. So all the credit goes to Nikki for these. These are awesome. And if you're looking for a fun project to do when it's cold and you can't get outside, your kids may be out of school, this would be a great project you could sit down and do with your kids. Because all you really do is take 3 Jenga blocks and some wood glue and glue them together. It takes 3. And then embellish them any way you want, and then you just hot glue a little hanger on them. These are so cute. So thanks, Nikki. Appreciate the inspiration for these. Love them. And here's one right here that I didn't decorate, just so you can see kind of what it looks like. But anyway, those are so cute. So back to embellishing our stocking. So once you get your stocking made, you got your hanger on, you can hang it and you can just leave it like you want it. You can add lace and ruffle to it. I decided I wanted to make some little hearts. So out of the scrap drop cloth, I made these little hearts. And in the video, I'm going to show you how I do it, but they're so easy. And then I just stuffed it with some stuffing that I had from an old pillow. But I used this for my pattern. This was just something I think I got at Target last year. But anyway, and then you just glue the hanger. So I made these, and then also with the scrap drop cloth, I made my bows for the stocking. And I'll kind of show you how I made these in the video also. But this is just scrap drop cloth that I ripped, and then you just tie them up and just make your little bows. And and don't forget your vintage jewelry. And also, my previous video I did, I think it's 2 videos back, I did these hang tags using the puzzle trees and also using greeting cards. You could also hang these with your stockings. If you got the initials from Dollar General, these would be cute hung with your stocking. The Christmas ornaments, if you like the buffalo plaid, all of these things are $1. And just, stars. There's the jingle bells. Here's the big bell ornament. I think I got this at Dollar Tree. But is that not the cutest thing? But anyway, that would be cute. And I'm going to stage all this for you just to give you ideas of what you can hang with the stocking just to kind of embellish it. And then these little sprigs right here are rosemary sprigs. And I got these at the dollar store. I got these at Target out of the bullseye section. There was a pack of them, and I think they were $1. And I got 3 or 4 sprigs. So anyway, you'll see these. Also the little rosettes. You could make these and put these on the stocking. And this, how you make these are in a previous video, and I'm going to put a link to that up on the screen. So if you want to make some of these are really easy to make, and they turn out so pretty. So I think that is going to be it. Oh, and I wanted to tell you also, when you're doing your scrap, I also made a little Christmas tree, like the heart, and I used the puzzle tree. I always feel like I'm so unorganized when I've got all this stuff on my kitchen island. This is the only place that I have that's good to spread things out to video to y'all. So I apologize if I may look unorganized at times. But anyway, this is the puzzle tree, and I basically just laid it down for my pattern, and then I used a ruler right here just to get a straight edge instead of going in and out of the little grooves. So I made this cute little Christmas tree, and it's just hot glued. So anyway, I'm going to put a little hanger on it and show you how you can stage with this. These were so much fun to make. You could also get a little wooden dowel, stick it in the bottom, and then with the Jenga blocks, when we made the puzzle trees, you could also use that for the base, and you could just stand these up like the puzzle trees. So I think that would be cute. So anyway, another project, right? Okay, y'all, I'm going to stop here and let y'all watch the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope y'all make some. And like I say, please go out to my Facebook page, join, and sign up and get eligible for the giveaway, because this is going to be fun. I want to kind of give back to y'all because everybody has been so nice to me, and it's the holidays and it's time for giving. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.